are at the train station. And there's Michael. At the train station here at St. Nicholas Abbey. The oldest house. St. Nicholas Abbey train looks like.
In the Western Hemisphere, traffic enhancements done to the property throughout the years. We have Annabelle, our award-winning distillery. We have steam areas, where we're around 135 years old. Please brush it off as quickly as possible. Full production is done on just about 150 acres to the northern side of the property. They would have disputes over that.
If you didn't, well, just enjoy the train ride. Thank you.
Now walking up to the thing. Kick the furniture.
How long? 60 years ago. Well, after all, I'm loving it. You have to be go outside, right?